How to remove camera from lock screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. Tap on Customize as shown. You can edit and manage your lock screen from here. If you want to remove the camera icon from here, then tap on the minus icon over the camera icon at the bottom left corner. You have now successfully removed the camera icon from your lock screen. Then, tap on the plus icon to add any other control from the options. For example, flashlight. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily remove camera from lock screen on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.